Today, we have something super exciting for you. We're going to take a close look at the Galaxy Z Fold 6 design, revealed through some close-up dummy unit shots. If you're a fan of foldable phones, you definitely don't want to miss this. Let's jump right in. Earlier this month, we got our first glimpse of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 through a dummy unit. These initial images gave us a sneak peek at some design aspects, but today we have even clearer and more detailed images courtesy of Ice Universe. Let's break down what these new images reveal about Samsung's upcoming foldable flagship. First off, let's talk about the size. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 appears to be noticeably wider than its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This increase in width means both the outer and inner displays will be larger, which should significantly enhance the user experience. A wider screen means easier multitasking, more immersive media consumption, and a generally more pleasant interface for all your apps and games. Another major change is in the overall design aesthetics. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 sports a boxier design with flatter sides and sharper edges compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This shift gives the new model a cleaner, more symmetrical, and modern look. The flatter sides not only improve the phone's aesthetic appeal, but might also provide a better grip, making the device more comfortable to hold in use. Moving on to the camera setup, the dummy unit shows that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have 3 cameras on the rear. While we don't have specific details about the camera specifications just yet, this configuration suggests that Samsung is likely continuing its focus on delivering versatile and high-quality photography options on its foldable phones. On the right-hand side of the device, we can see the volume button and the fingerprint scanner. The placement seems consistent with the Galaxy Z Fold 5, ensuring that the fingerprint scanner is easily accessible whether the phone is folded or unfolded. This is a small but crucial detail that impacts the overall user experience. So, there you have it. A detailed look at the design of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. From these images, it's clear that Samsung is making some thoughtful design changes to improve the look and feel of its foldable lineup. The wider displays, boxier design, and refined aesthetics all point to a more user-friendly and visually appealing device. Remember, these are just dummy units, so while they give us a great idea of what to expect, the final product could have some differences. We'll know for sure when Samsung officially launches the Galaxy Z Fold 6 on July 10, 2024. Mark your calendars. Are you excited about the Galaxy Z Fold 6? What features are you hoping to see in Samsung's next foldable phone? Let's set it apart from the standard model. Only time will tell. So what do you think about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra possibly launching in China and Korea? Are you excited about the possibility of an Ultra model with enhanced features and design? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for today's update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and reviews. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Today, we're diving deep into the world of foldable phones, specifically a highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Well, hold on, there's a twist. There might not be just one Fold 6 this time around. Buckle up, because rumors suggest a slim and ultra version are on the horizon. So let's unpack these juicy leaks one by one. First up, reliable source Ice Universe spilled the beans on Weibo, a Chinese social media platform. According to them, Samsung is working on a Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, not an Ultra variant. Apparently, the name speaks for itself. The Fold 6 Slim won't boast top-of-the-line specs compared to a potential Fold 6. Instead, it's all about portability and a sleek, thin design. But wait, there's more. Ice Universe assures us there won't be any downgrades with the Slim. However, don't expect groundbreaking upgrades either. Here's the catch. To achieve that slim profile, Samsung might have made a significant sacrifice. No S Pen support. That's right, S Pen fans, you might be bummed. The Fold 6 Slim reportedly won't be compatible with the S Pen due to the lack of a digitizer, a component needed for pen input on the foldable screen. So the Fold 6 Slim might be a bit of a letdown for those who love using the S Pen. But here's the shocker. Despite the lack of upgrades and S Pen support, rumors suggest the Slim will cost more than the standard Fold 6. That's a bold move by Samsung. Hold on, there's another twist. According to previous reports, the Fold 6 Slim won't be launching alongside the regular Fold 6 at the upcoming event. Now let's talk about the other side of the rumor mill, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Curly leaks suggested an Ultra version, but it seems that might actually be the Fold 6 Slim under a different name. Ross Young, another tech leak source, reported that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra or Slim, whatever you want to call it, might be priced similarly to the standard Fold 6, around $1,800. This is surprising, considering some anticipated a price tag over $2,000. Here's the plot twist again. Just like the Slim, the Z Fold 6 Ultra won't support the S Pen either. Ross Young suggests Samsung remove the digitizer from this model as well. Without the digitizer, the Z Fold 6 Ultra loses S Pen functionality altogether. It also likely won't have a dedicated slot for the pen. This is confusing because the Ultra variant is supposed to be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Young also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.